Hey guys, we have our fourth unboxing from Canyonscubes. Excited to see what we have in here. Firstly, we have. Ooh, okay, yes, this is what I'm excited about. We have certain paper inserts for the event known as Clock. Okay, it's carefully wrapped inside this cardboard. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that's amazing. These are FTO themed, obviously, right? You have the tessellated pattern of the FTOs. I guess this is like the front side of it. This is the back. Oh my, that is lovely. Wow. Okay, yeah, I can't wait to apply this to my clock. I'll be doing that a bit later, but I think that would definitely motivate me to do more solves on this. But yeah, that's really nice. Oh my god, that is a lot of stickers. A lot more stickers. That is crazy. I'm gonna have to put this in a lot more places. I think I'm being very conservative with my FTO stickers, but man, that's a lot. I'll probably put it on my phone, my like laptop, like just everywhere I can put stickers on. So that's really nice. FTO for WCA. Oh my god, I mean, look at that. That's, you know what? I might just store it in here. This is an absurd amount of stickers, but wow, that's amazing. I'll like definitely when or if I ever go to competitions again, I'll definitely, you know, give these out and sort of spread the FTO propaganda. I think that's one good thing that this is for, right? What is this? Okay, I genuinely have no idea what this is. Let me see. Cube stand, it looks like? FTO stand? What the heck? Wait, this looks like it could be an FTO stand. Is that true? Yep, that's what it looks like. Because you could just set that right on top. Let's see, does it go down all the way? So, my Diane is actually back on campus, so I don't have it with me, but... Oh yeah, that definitely works. Nice! Wow! I can actually use these to display my FTOs. That's really nice. Yep, and I have a lot of them for the plentiful amount of FTOs I have, so that'll be really nice for that. Wow, these are really nice, like high quality, definitely 3D printed it looks like, but yeah, very nice. Yeah, I see a couple more things. So there's like a letter, maybe I should have read this first. Yeah, hey Chris, here's the FTO clock inserts, FTO stands. Oh, made by Koi, I didn't know that. Yeah. So like yeah, these stands are really cool. And if you need more clock inserts, let me know. I just grabbed the extra two that I had on hand. P.S. I'm streaming right now in Shenanigans. Oh, I'm guessing this is when he was yeah, I mean he streams a lot. I was probably on there. And I don't recall exactly which stream it was, but yeah, I didn't know he was streaming while making this, so yeah, that's really cool. What the heck? Are you serious? My goodness. Wait, this is amazing. What? We have a cube cover, an FTO Canyonscubes cube cover. Wow. Let's see, how do you assemble this? And then this goes in like that. There you go, like that. Oh my god, that was so confusing. There. It's a bit crumpled there, but it's perfect. Look at that. And now I'm gonna use this for all my FTO solving, so that's really cool. Yeah, that is a massive amount of stickers. I am so happy. Wow, I love FTO so much. Yeah. Thanks once again to Canyon for sending me all these. Yeah, I'm really excited to apply these inserts into my clock. Maybe I'll get the new one, like the blue clock they have. I think it's the Chi Blue or something, where they have the upgraded magnetic positioning system, and maybe I'll put that in there and like do a couple thousand solves, get good with 7 simul finally, and I'll use these to display my FTOs. I'll put these everywhere I can think of, and yeah, so then I'll make my FTOing much more enjoyable. So yeah, thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys maybe with a future package from Canyon. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of days since I recorded this unboxing, but I wanted to show you guys how the clock inserts look like. So honestly, it looks really nice. I decided to put the lighter, like the yellow one, on the white side, and the darker one on the black side. I think. Let's see. Do I regret that? Yeah, no, I think that makes sense because you have the white background, and like black would obviously make more sense for that. Yeah, so like the quality is really nice. Like you can definitely see all the clocks like very clearly, and like no issues there. It doesn't really affect the turning at all. It turns really nicely, and yeah, it just looks really nice. It does evoke like a sort of pyramid, like a pyraminx type of shape, more than it does like FTO because of the way it's tessellated, right? But I think I still think that it looks like way better than what it used to look like. And yeah, this definitely makes for like a very unique clock. Like no one else would have a clock if you go to competition. Like no one else would try to steal your clock, or maybe they would steal because they love FTO so much, and you know they'd want it for themselves. But I'm very happy with how it looks like, and yeah, I think now that I've gotten the world best single, I think you know FTO's over now, right? So like maybe I'll start looking at clock for my next event. But yeah, now I would recommend this insert if you are looking for an insert that is like unique and distinguishes your clock from everyone else's. So yeah, for sure. Oh, a couple other things. I've also made this inspection box. It is a bit lopsided. Like yeah, as you can see, it's not a perfect, like this is probably how it should be, but then it like naturally it naturally likes diagonalizing itself. I really like how it looks like. I've been using this for like when I'm doing FTO and I want to differentiate the inspection time. I definitely do use this as like also to more closely replicate the competition format. So like while my scrambled Diane is like under the box, I like, you know, I like take deep breaths, I like maybe spam some Alex on the like a spare Diansheng or something, and then I lift it, start inspection, and then start looking. So it's actually very useful for that. So yeah, and also I've put the stands, you know like the cubes, the octahedron stands. I have a couple in my office because I only have 2 FTOs there. Like usually I have my Diane and like probably like one of the first black Diansheng's I got, and it works really nicely for displaying the puzzles. So yeah, like I really like that as well.